time I visit, I am reminded of why I keep returning. There's just something about this city that keeps calling me back. And every visit is full of a different set of adventures. Unique discoveries and new memories. Savannah, Georgia. What is it about this city that speaks to me?
This video runs on for about another 5 minutes, but I hope